Looking to supercharge your server, NAS system, or micro server? Say hello to the OWC 64GB DDR4 2933MHz PC4-23400 CL21 2RX8 ECC SO-DIMM memory upgrade. This upgrade kit consists of two 32GB modules, designed and tested to meet or exceed all manufacturer OEM specs. With a 100% compliance with JEDEC standard specifications and being RoHS compliant, it ensures a warranty-safe upgrade. But what does all this mean for you? Increased performance, that's what. Memory upgrades are widely recognized as the most effective way to boost the performance of your system, and this kit is no exception. Clocking in at a memory speed of 2933 MHz, it's optimized for seamless multitasking and data-intensive applications. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. This kit is compatible with a range of devices including NAS systems, servers, network switches, Synology, and micro servers. Plus, installation is a breeze in most cases, making it a perfect DIY project. Need assistance? OWC offers a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, backed by free tech support. In summary, if you're looking for industry-leading performance, reliability, and ease of installation, the OWC 64GB DDR4 2933MHz PC4-23400 CL21 2RX8 ECC SO-DIMM memory upgrade is the way to go. Boost your system's performance and unleash its full potential today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.